Hello, my name is Anjali Garad. Today I am telling you some information about Holi in two languages. Firstly in English, then Japanese. So I am starting now, friends. So in our India, every year we celebrate Holi. I like Holi very much. Holi is colors festival. We play Holi with colors. Everyone enjoy Holi, and in Holi, every people play Holi, and it is very old festival. One big story of it. That time one woman was there. Her name was Holika. She had superpower, means any type of fire can't do or touch her. So she had one stepson. His name was Prahlad, and she was and he was devoted, and this thing don't like his father. So many times he tried to kill Prahlad, but he failed. So Holika and Prahlad sit in fire, but that time Prahlad prayed to God, save me. So God help him, and that time Holika was dead. So that why we celebrate Holi. Konnichiwa, watashi wa namae wa Anjali desu. Kyo wa hori ni tushito sukoshi oha nashi. Shimasu indo de wa matoshi hori o iwamasu. Watashi wa hori go daisuke desu. Hori wa iro no oma tosuri de iro wa tusu katei hori o tano shimimasu. Mina hori o tana shinodo imasu. Hori do wa dare moga hori o iwamasu. Kare wa tometo furu o ma tosuru de Okina monogatari go arimasu. Sanutaki hitori no josei go soko ni imashita. Konoja ni nama wa Horika de konoja wa chicho nara yoku o mote imashite dona suri nihi mo kayokai mo dokimasen sorodo kanojo ni wa mahake goi ima desu. Kare wa shinoja de kono go chichi wa karati nanodo mo karasu toshima shito parado wa shiparu shitondo horika to parado wa hino noka ni suwa tago sonotaki wa rotogato ni inota. Watashi o sukito korushi no go kare o tasuke sonotaki horika wa shinoda. Dakara watashi ta chiha hori o iwasu no deka. So it's over. We will meet in next video. Sorry for my mistakes. Bye.